Good morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is if one country grows itself, then it should, of course, grow their family. Thank you.
Words help in communicating. So, to add a new word in your dictionary, here is today's word is Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, which means one earth, one future, one family. Keeping ourselves updated with the latest happening in current affairs around the world is a good habit. To enhance our habit, here with the news of the day.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are international news. Israel opens Gaza crossing. Politicians back to work after 2 weeks. Gulf Cooperation Council sees it and Pakistan initialize free trade agreement. National news. Army to issue tender for buying 400 new electric guns. Woman beaten to death over missed loan payment in Bihar. 4 arrested. Sports news. Asian Games hockey. India get over complacency scare in winning over Japan. Indian boxing team for Asian Games to train in China ahead of multi-sport event. Weather news. Today's expected temperature. Minimum temperature will be 25 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature will be 37 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
The information related to our topic. Here is Shivesha for today's assembly topic. For Teachers Day.
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, supervisors, teachers and lovely students. As you know that we have opted the topic G20, which was held in this month only. We want to give you the brief idea about it, what it was and all. Something which is missing right now. Sorry for inconvenience. I'll come to the agenda of, not agenda, but the challenges which will be faced by G20 days to come, wherever this particular group. So, as you know, we are a group of countries and international for government and central bank governors from 19 countries and the European Union. And some of the major challenges front of G20 are first, that is very very important, that is economic recovery post-COVID-19. As you know, after this pandemic, COVID-19, we had a tremendous problem globally, and for that, this particular group are working significantly, but they have to do more to manage the things, because it's something where after COVID-19 we have to recover from all the financial crisis. Then the trade tension is another reason, that is trade dispute and protectionist measures between Group 20 members, particularly China and United States of America. That is also one of the big concern. Third is climate change. As we know, now and then we are seeing the examples of climate change and some catastrophe and all that. So it is also a very challenging work for Group 2020, that is that member nation needed to commit to and implement strategy to reduce carbon emission and transition to secure sustainable energy sources. Then financial stability, which is the part of Group 20, that is which they have made, which is possibly only the coordination and financial regulations by healthy habits. Then comes to the cyber security and digital economy, which is running in our country or in fact in the entire world. Increasing digitalization and the economics protecting critical infrastructure and addressing cyber security threats would be a challenge to 2020. Then geopolitical tension is one of the reasons also here, because the tension in various regions such as recently you have seen for last few years, that is Russia and Ukraine, and then South and Taiwan and so other some other countries are having some tensions between them. So this is also a very challenging aspect. Then come to the global health. After COVID-19, we always in a threat that another pandemic will come up. Then what will happen? So in that particular case, we have to get ready, and for that G20 is supposed to work, and they are working for the future pandemic if occurred. Then one of the most important aspect, that is income inequality and social welfare. When we talk about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, so here we talk about every human being's welfare, or their right and all their rights. In that case, G20 members always teach strategies such as social safety nets, access to education and healthcare. And the last, not the least, that is migration and refugees concern, that is happening due to the conflicts between countries and the climate change, which is also one of the steps where we have to, Group 20 have to work very, very hard so that we can talk about one world, one nation, and one family and all that. Okay, so this is the basic challenges which Group 20 members are doing and looking forward to much better in future. So it was really a matter of pride for our country that in September it was done, and things was quite fabulous, and we are expecting the same in future because our country is going ahead under the guidance of Indian government. Okay, so thank you, and thank you very much. Thank you.